Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your uh, on, on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click on platform. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You come here to here technical analysis. Click in this sign, like, and you click here on confirm. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.